All right, guys. So we're gonna use a breaker bar with a T50. Pray for us.
Hold this steady.
Stop. Told you this thing is like ridiculous. It's like a ridiculous amount of torque.
What the?
Yeah, let Omar get here. We'll get another person on the other side of the steering wheel.
Not even a dent.
It's like ridiculous. And that is like full blown, probably a couple 100 foot-pounds of torque on that gun.
Holy. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Camaro SS 1LE. Got the Dodge there. Both cars are super dirty. I mean, we just went through weeks of rain and a hurricane. Hey, look who's here.
Hey,
Marty's back. But look at this.
We're gonna install stuff.
It's a daily.
Yeah.
No Supra.
No Supra today.
How dare you?
Can't get E85.
But yeah, today we're gonna, oh, check this out. Kustom Interiors, looking nice. But today we're gonna replace the steering wheel with this nice carbon fiber digital one from Kustom Interiors, an extreme online store. I believe they're trying to brand into a new name, but this thing is super nice, has instructions and everything. It's got all the good stuff. So we're just gonna jump right in. First things first, we disconnect the battery and we start working on taking that airbag off. So let's jump right into it. If you own a Camaro for a while and you don't know where your battery is, you should sell it, but it's right there in the trunk. This thing you just kind of pull and it comes out, and right there, disconnect the negative. And check out the Kustom Interiors. Woo! All right, so to get this airbag out, we need just like a little tool. If you go right off the back right here, there's a hole there, and then there's one on the other side, and all you do is go one by one. You push the tool in as you maneuver this, and it clicks out. So let's see if it works.
All right, this is a little T-bar Allen socket thing. See if this works.
That's my leg tool. You release that side. You still gotta get the other side.
This side's released.
You gonna hold it?
Yeah, 'cause I gotta. There. I think it's off. There it is. Woo-wee. There it is.
What you gotta unplug now?
Yeah, you gotta unplug back here. All right. First one you want to take off is this one right here.
That's the top?
Yeah. It's on upper left-hand side. Just a little plug. I don't know exactly what it does. And then you want to take off your airbag. That's it. No.
So we got those top ones. Unplugged for one of them.
Yeah.
And now we go to the bolt. The bolt everybody hates.
Yep. Unfortunately, this is this shallow head Torx bolt. That is very shallow. The hole is very shallow, and it strips super easily.
I see why. Because of the, you gotta use an extension because like it won't.
It's not. Yeah. So you don't have a lot of room for error, and this thing is cranked down by the factory.
So breaker bar or gun?
Yeah. I'm gonna recommend a breaker bar first.
All right. So when you're going through these little holes and pushing, these are the things you're pushing. So you gotta push these, and it brings it off of these, and that's how it pops out. Brings it off and it pops up. So there you have it.
All right, guys. So we're gonna use a breaker bar with a T50. Pray for us.
You have to hold the steering wheel?
Also, yeah, you gotta kind of. That's the thing. That's the problem here. You gotta kind of hold the steering wheel while you do this.
All right, so I gotta go down. I can go down and hold. You just gotta hold this steady.
Stop. Told you this thing is like ridiculous. It's like a ridiculous amount of torque.
What the?
Yeah, let Omar get here. We'll get another person on the other side of the steering wheel.
Not even a dent.
It's like ridiculous. And that is like full blown, probably a couple hundred foot-pounds of torque on that gun.
Holy.
Yeah, it's not straight. Hold on, Javi. Is that reverse threaded?
I don't think so. No, these aren't reverse threaded. I don't know if you can see this reverse threaded. I don't remember it being reverse. There it is. God damn it.
Woo! Yeah, I did it. I power. Let's move it.
You put the gun on. That should come out.
Only took 3 people.
Gee, you need 3 people to take out one bolt.
Let you know, I got more power than a torque gun. I was ready.
This just pulls out.
Yep. You gotta, yeah, that's it.
It is out.
So all you need is 3 guys and a breaker bar.
Oh, wait, you need this.
Yes. So now everything here gets switched over to the new one.
Shit.
All right, let me get out.
There it is. There's that one. There it is. That one, that one.
This will come
This
out.
is off.
Yeah, so this is all like clipped on. You just gotta pull.
Yeah.
Can't be scared, you just gotta pull. And then you unplug
Yeah,
this one and
All
this
this is just push pins. And there's no screws. It's all just push.
one. Same with this. This was just pushed in there. So it comes
I
off.
started here, pulled these up, then we pulled this side up, then we pulled this side up.
Now to remove the buttons, you need a T20 for these over here. And then for the paddle shifters, it's a T25. So let's get right onto that. Just fall back.
When one holds it, that's it. It should just fall down.
Just pull. It's pretty easy.
Yeah, these are usually pretty easy.
All right, so for those that don't have the heated option and have that cable down here that everybody shows in the videos, I don't have that option. So what we had to do is, you have for the side buttons, you have these 2 connectors right here, and then this one's the main one that goes into the car.
To the cock spring.
And then, so let me see if it focuses. You can see right here we went red to red and black, and black to black. Where is it at? Oh, right here. Yeah, right here. And we went
Back in black.
back to
So
back.
basically the 2 corners.
Yeah, this is something else. So yeah, black to black and red to red and black. And we connected it and it worked out. If you try to test it and you don't have the box connected or the car on, it's not gonna work. So if you wanna do your own testing, just make sure that you turn the car on and you plug the box. If not, this is just gonna turn off and turn right back off.
Everything's back on. This is pushed in, pushed in. Everything here is pushed in. Nothing really here has screws, except for these when you remove the cruise control buttons and the accessory buttons. So,
Yeah, don't forget to plug these paddle
yeah,
shifters.
don't forget to plug in your, there's tiny little clips under here for your paddle shifters, but that's pretty self-explanatory. And we're ready to go. We just got to put a little zip tie on there that holds, that keeps these cables from moving, and that's it.
Ooh, this looks nice. Just put it back in. Make sure you put the main plug back over, bolt on, then plug the airbag and just push it in. Everything else is kind of nice and hidden. We were able to put a zip tie back and kind of zip tie all that up there out of the way. So let's put it back on and see.
End of the day.
It's all in.
So me having
Plug the battery back in.
Yeah, so kind of
Remember, battery in the trunk, don't forget. And then we're gonna start it up. Fancy. Fancy, fancy. Oh man, oh man. She's all nice and clean. Rare sight, since she's a daily, it's driven everywhere. And it's been raining like crazy, plus the hurricane, but look at that, look at that. Keep the bottle in the back. But check it out. It's been completely hooked up. But there it goes. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Amazing. Really good, really good. That steering wheel looks really good, really good. Let's take it out for a spin, see if we can figure out the light, see how it looks. I mean, when people tell me, oh, that front end doesn't match your car, it looks weird, I'm like, you are crazy. You are crazy. Dixon looks amazing. And I've seen people, like when my kid drives it and I'm in the other car and they come around and I see him down the road, like, yeah, it's probably my favorite car, looking car I've owned so far. But let's take it for a spin and see how it works.
Laser.
So not bad overall. We had 3 people that helped us out, taking that one bolt out. As you can see, the impact gun didn't do anything. You have 2 buttons, and then you have the LED lights here. I changed them all to red, except the last one is green. I have to go through the instructions because I don't know if it'll give you like all one colors, and then when it gets to the RPM where you want it to shift, they'll all blink, or if it once it gets to red, and then green, then it'll all they'll all blink red to shift. But if you go on this button, you can switch through like all the different options. Has a bunch of different options that you can choose that you want to monitor. Right now I have RPM and mile per hour. And then here, if you hold here, you can get through the menu and you can change like all the LED colors. You can change them individually. You can change when you want the first light to start. Right now it's set up to like 1,000 RPM, but you can go up or down on that. And I think the flash is set up like at 6,300 RPM. And it has like dimming options. It has like, you can change some of these things. It has a lot of different options. You gotta get through the book and maybe do a video later on all of that. And you know, a further long review. But so far, like this is all good and nice. And then the back here, I need the cover back here because my car did not come with a steering wheel that has a cover back here. I don't know if that's the one that's like heated with the heated option. So I did not have that. And remember to wire this one, because I did not have the heated steering wheel option. I did not use that brown and blue like cable that everybody uses. I had to go off that top connector, and it was black with black, and then the positive was with like the, I think, red and like a dark gray. If you go back in the video, you'll be able to see that. That's where I kind of spliced this into. And then of course you have down here towards my foot, you have the box. The box is hidden behind this panel right here with all the cables, but you know, it just connects here, and this is your X1, and I have a connector there because that's for the AFR gauge. So yeah, let's see if I can take it to a drive and I can show how these light up real quick. All right, so I'm probably gonna have to go to the paddles, see if I can let it rev a little higher, but we'll see. If it goes to 3, let's see. And white.
User mark ahead.
Alright, let's see if we're able to get it to blink. There you go, we got it to blink. Not bad, it's pretty cool, pretty cool. easy and it feels really good. It has the ridges in the back for like the fingers and stuff. I usually just hold here one hand, here with the other hand. So I mean, so far it looks good. I'll get back to you all and get a better review, but all in all, that's pretty much it. You know, it's not bad at all. It took us a little bit because we had to figure out where to power it. You know, everybody had that one power where they use the that one connection where they use like the heater, the steering wheel heater cables. We didn't have that, so it took us a little bit to figure that out. But once we figured that out, everything else was pretty simple. You know, take out, cross everything over, put it back in. I gotta order that back cover for the steering wheel because I didn't have it. But that's pretty much it. I mean, thank you Kustom Interior again for hooking it up. Hopefully you all like the video. Let me know in the comments what you think. I love it. It looks so good, so good. I love it. And yeah, you know what to do. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and see you all next time. Peace. All right, yeah.